Actually, I'm also a taker of Hem. That's the first product that I'm using. And thank you, Mike, for
You're welcome.
sharing with me. I want to share also
Yeah.
with regards on uh, the goodness of the product Hemohim in my body. Before the lockdown, or before, yeah, the lockdown due to the pandemic that we have now, actually I'm suffering from different pains in my body. For you to know, I'm a busy man, even though I'm not too old, but I'm a busy man. I'm a professor, college professor here in the Philippines. And aside from being professor, I'm also handling my business, uh, restaurant business. And also I'm having my part-time teaching in different colleges here. So I'm not teaching in only one school here, but different colleges here in my area. So I'm a too much busy people. I'm um I'm working for much time, too much time. I end my work at 9 p.m. Started at 4 a.m. because I'm handling the business. So 4 a.m. I'm awake already, and I'm cooking sometimes in my restaurant, and then I entering into my full-time professorial work at 7:30 in the morning. Then I ended my full-time work at 4:30 in the afternoon. Then I'm going to other school to teach also. So if you think my busyness, it's so hard, and that's the reason I think that I'm suffering. That's why I'm suffering from different sickness, or whatever, what you call to that, pains in my body, particularly. It is also an experience of mine that I think that was 5 years ago or 6 years ago. I undergone my shockwave procedure in my kidney problem because I have the kidney stone before. So from then, after my shockwave procedure for 5 times, I'm always complaining on my pains in my lower back. So that is maybe because of the kidney situations I have. So for a long time, I'm suffering on that. And lockdown is a moment for me to think, to refresh, to reflect. And when I'm praying, I'm always asking the Lord, please give me the way on how to escape on this situation. So for the 2 months, I'm not working. I'm not working for 2 months because we are enclosed in my house, in our house, because we have the general enhanced community quarantine. So on that 2 months, I'm always praying for my health situation. And you, Mike, and the Atomy as well, is a great gift from the Lord. That's what I realize now. Because of the offering of the Hem product, actually, I'm taking a Hem when I received the first purchase. That was May 27, I think, if I'm not mistaken, May 27. And from that moment I take immediately the Hem. I take one, and then after 4 hours, I take another one, and then before I go to bed, I take another one. Then for 3 days, taking the Hemohim, I feel something good in my body. I feel so light. Uh, the pain is initially leaving on my leaving on my body, and as the moment I'm gonna say I am free from pain. I'm strong and I'm healthy. I'm handsome. I'm sorry to say. I'm looking good. So that's the effect, the good effect of having him. That's why I can say this moment I have confidence to share this very good product of Atomy. So I was also enlightened on the sharing of Mike a while ago that it's not a matter of selling the product, but an attitude to share the product, an attitude to share the value of Atomy. So I'm too much enlightened really tonight, this time.